Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're into crypto updates, market insights, and price predictions, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the latest on Tron TRX, including new developments and where experts think the price is headed next. Right now, TRX is trading at around $0.24. The intraday high touched $0.23861, and the low dipped to about $0.221392, showing a small increase of 0.4978% from the previous close. So, what's going on with Tron? The platform has been actively improving. Recent updates include the integration of new decentralized apps, dApps, and an expansion of DeFi features. These upgrades aim to boost utility and attract a broader user base, which could translate to increased demand for the TRX token. Now, let's talk price predictions. Changelly predicts TRX could reach around $0.248, which would be a 7.45% increase from earlier levels. Long forecast suggests TRX might trade between $0.21 and $0.25, with some price fluctuations along the way. But what really drives the price of TRX? It all comes down to market adoption, how widely the platform is used for smart contracts and dApps, and the overall demand for TRX. However, rising competition from other blockchain platforms with similar features could impact Tron's position in the market. Even so, Tron continues to be a major player in the decentralized world, and if it keeps innovating, the future could look promising for TRX. That's all for this update. If you found it helpful, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss any upcoming crypto news. Thanks for watching.